So we manufacture and distribute a liquid that gets pumped into primarily agricultural tires. So one of our opportunities for growth was to take on some more of our operations. We started investing in drivers as well as tractors and tankers so that we could deliver more of our product, which brought about the need to streamline our formulation process out back. So MFP asked a lot of questions on the front end of things, which I think ultimately led us to what we have out there, which in my mind is the best version of what we could have. Before, we weren't storing formulated product. We were formulating into the tankers. And so a driver would have to then load their tanker manually by closing and opening valves. Now we were able to increase our inventory levels, which made what we're doing now a lot easier. But now a driver comes in, they just enter their load number, they click pick up, and they're done. MFP did a great job of understanding our business and then providing good suggestions and then even implementing them. MFP was extremely supportive, and when we had issues, they solved them quickly.